And welcome back to Jamrock Page, Creambot back again at a reaction video, you see me? More big up to all of the new subscribers them. Big up to all of the returning subscribers them, you see me? Cause I don't know the things, I have to big up the people who support your channel and watch your video them and like the video and share the video, you see me? Even if you not dislike the video, big up to yourself too, you see me? Cause I don't know, at least you not watch the video and then dislike it, so big up to you today, you see me? And guys, I want to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. It's the reason why I'm on that today. Because sometimes I want to ask you a question or some, you know what I mean? I can't even do that. You see me? I can't even ask you a question if I want to ask you a question. You see me? But I like to do that. You see me? So follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Because sometimes I want to ask you about video ideas or what time for posts or all them something. You see me? I like to interact with them. You see, like upon like a family or something. Like say when fans or this. No, I don't want to do that. You see me? I want to build a steady fan base or support base or something like so. You see me? So just do that for me, you see me? So today I react to Raw, Daily Duppy, GRM Daily, you see me? And a UK artist, this, I never hear about a person, somebody sending a request or what day, or what, 2 days ago, 3 days ago, something like so. I'm still going to react to it, you see me? Because I don't know, some get to know about UK artists or any artist I know about in general, you see me? Because when they send them in, I know about them. And then, I get to write like them, you see me? So respect to them for that. So I'm jumping in that video right about now.
Yeah.
Oh! You make a man raw. R.A. Well, I'm correct me.
GRM Daily Duppy. Post your seat. Free the whole of the fight. Free stinks, man.
Free stinks.
When you see me, respect the order. Or get one out this llama.
Bumbleclad. Yeah, the man say back then Jamaican manager DJ but one out of my llama. You see me? But then I said visual DJ them, but them not use llama, them care them take and them make care right for some reason. But llama about the original OG gun free for go for you, think me for the answer, you see me?
You know I'm about a double A cat, we swap out a beat and a double M case where you pop out. I see the baddest nigga with a can getting knocked out. He said that he's a shooter, not a fighter, that's a cop out. Pull up, brother, whacked off, then you hop out. This big cheap trip, see his black top pop out. Like he gave up in college, the way I see him drop out. Pro form, he said them birders on the ends, I got the Glock out. That's a Call of Duty, moving fruity, man will get them up out. Just the game, when the black ops came, I brought the shot out when I aim. See this Mac pop drain and Terry's top out. It's a shame how man's block changed before I got out. Talk about gang, R.A. put the cheat in it. Ever had a rifle this long and put some teeth in it. Sitting in the pen, cause that nigga said he did it. Thought of some name brands that let me run a scheme with it. It's all Gucci, you know that I've been there. Stepping in blood before Luke was a dream hair. In my workouts, trying to run through this D square. And it's looking kinda off-white, but I'm prepared. Yes, our money exchange for like 3 pairs.
Yo, Blood. Yo, dog. Nah, I'm not telling you like that. I have to give some respect to the UK freestyle of them, dog. I'm not telling you like that. Some of the best in the game, dog. When they listen to them on a freestyle, like, I just wonder. Like, I wonder if them actually really a freestyle or them write down something and then them act like them are real. You see me? The man them think actually sound bad. If they actually are freestyle, it's off of them tone of them head. The man them sick, bro, when they think about it. Most people can really freestyle something that sound good and actually make sense and rhyme together. Yeah, we have a big respect to the UK rap freestyle of them. Big man thing, dog.
Billionaires boy club, trying to get a seat there. Put a 110, all black with a cheap rare. Real killer from that drill cloth, only G's wear. Trap star, I'm a smooth gangster, some beat wear. Air max, I burst his bubble with his heat spark.
Come boy.
I don't feel calm. I slap him in the print of his cheap Prada. Jim Brown step out, all balance and see arc. Think he kept my secret, how my beats are. Before I
And something like to them I use like famous brand reference, but I still I put in for them story within them reference there, you see me? So that kind of unique, bro. Guys, remember I asked something? Them write them freestyle before and them literally is a freestyle off the top of them head. Really want to know, because if they really do this without writing it, then they better up on the next level, bro. Big man team. Really want to let me know if them write them freestyle first or they just spit it off of them top of them head. Because this is insane, bro.
now I have to go and see my barber. Pump beef, I couldn't hack it, got his peak llama. African shot if you touch him, bro, he a Ghana. And I don't care what you think of man. Free my brother grave, he still hurts when I think of man. Remember old school, we were rolling with things fans, still getting paid, but just waiting to the Timberlands. Came home, diesel feds, tried to get rid of man. And it brought my vibes, cause I tried to teach my cartel.
What are they? What are they? What are they? I worried about that. What are they? Worried about that? What are they? What are they? Buckler. Are the world boss after that? World boss. Buckler. World boss, you. Damn tune. If man like, yo, that make you worse, man. I shout out world boss. Yo, you would. Big up yourself. Big up yourself, RA. That me I tell you. Ninja man, mercy, yo. Oh fuck, God. Yo. Buckler. No, them way they still, bro. Man, say, see nigga, them get them braid burn out. I mean that their head flap out. $2 chunk of meat a fly out. You see me? Gone, bro. Crazy. Buckler, jerk. Yo! Big up yourself, RA. I like when I incorporate most of the. You don't know what thing, you know the thing. You see me? Big up yourself, you. That me, I tell you. Buckler, yo, I'm not alive. Yo, that brother. Otherwise, for the restaurant, I'm not alive. Bad, bro. Big man team. Want to help me out and just tell me what I ask in the video? Let me know in the comment section, cause if I really freestyle, the brother freestyle, the brother up on the next level, bro. Big man thing. Man, him sound good, bro. I'm not telling no lie, bro. No cap, nothing like that. Them UK brother, bad dog. Crazy. I work some big up Vibes Cartel. They work the world boss. A Ninja man. Yo, you would RA. Big up yourself, you. Big up yourself. Enough love from Jamaica, you see me? Straight to the UK. Don't know the thing said. Bruv. Up there, man. Man's not at ya. Bruv. What's them saying? I don't know it go. But anyway, guys, I'm going to say follow me on Instagram and or Twitter. Because I like to come more for correspond with it, like about video ideas or like posting time or something like that. Because sometimes I feel just I want to ask people what time they like video or something like that. You see me? I like to hear opinions. You see me? So I can know over here. You see me? I really like that thing. So just follow me on Instagram or Twitter. And you see me? Peace out.